Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Secret Service menu for all Samsung TVs. Let's begin. So it says here if you want to use the service menu on a Samsung TV, there are a few buttons that you can use to access it. This includes certain button combinations. Info menu sound off and on/off. Press these buttons in quick succession while the TV is off. Info menu mute and power. Press these buttons in order while the TV is in standby. 182 and power. Press these buttons in order while the TV is in standby. Display p.std, mute and power. Press these buttons in order while the TV is in standby. Then the second one repeats the same thing. Then display menu mute and power, so it's the same thing here. And then lastly, mute 119 and power. Press these buttons in order without the TV in standby. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.